James. Kahit anong mangyari, si baby ang pipiliin mo, ha?
Hindi. Hindi pwede yun.
Hindi. Mas importante yung buhay ng bata.
Mitch. Mitch, hindi pwede.
Basta gawin mo yun.
Ayoko mawala ka. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
James, wag mo bibitawan yung baby bag.
Sige, hindi ko bibitawan yung baby bag. Okay? Pero hindi ka rin bibitaw sa akin. Ha? Kung susuko. Ha? Kung susuko. Please. Ha? Please. Please. Kayanin mo, okay? Kayanin mo. Alis na ako.
Sir, you know your wife is still in the recovery room. She's one tough woman. You're lucky.
I know, Doc.
I hope you know that the fight is not yet over. We still have a few more rounds of chemo. Then, hopefully, she's clear.
Okay. Thank you, Doc.
Have a good day.
You too, Doc.